big freeze is finally finished. Got down to -7 at one point here, but it was consistently -1, -2, even during the day. I wasn't getting past 0. So I've come to the allotment eventually to check if anything survived. So we'll have a little look round. We'll start with broad beans if there's bed to come to. Oh, seem to have done alright. They were hardy winter ones, so they're just short. You see they're doing alright. I'll put up a bit close together, but one there. But molehill? Guessing? Needs de-weeded this bed. So I thought the frost would have killed them off. Got a lonely one there. I want to say that's what. That can't be one there that sprouted out during the winter. But they seem quite strong. Hopefully it gives a good crop. That one seems to have germinated. I think it is. They've literally started germinating during the frost. You can see this one here. They've germinated through the frost. I mean, mustard is surprisingly still alive. I put that in just as a green manure cover crop, but frost should have killed it off. I've put nothing on them. But as you can see, it's still going. It does look a bit weak, but it's still going strong. And we've got me garlic. I had no worries about the garlic. They all look good. Like I say, that one even still looks like it's growing there. It just still looks like it's sprouted just. And the shallots. It's the first time growing shallots. I was eating and pickle them like pickled onions, so you can see, noticing there the bunching, there's several shoots coming off. So does that mean they're bunching? Because they are bunching, aren't they? And they seem to have been alright. Not going to focus. Seems to be alright. Just pop you there while I undo this. I have got it under cover, but we can't -7, I have no idea. Right. Go. I'll just sit down so it's not as windy in here, because I've got a feeling I'm not going to be heard very well in here. Oh. And it survived. Quite well. They're not growing particularly too much. I think I want to say that's a kind of mustard, which that seems to have grown the most. That's been eaten? I don't know. I'm blocking your view. I don't know if that bit there is being eaten off or just fallen off. I mean, it's quite windy now. It's not as bad as we've had it before in the UK, but these pegs that I've put in seem to be keeping it still. I just wish I'd put this bit on tighter. I've got a rip in the front that I still need to do. And I'll have I was just checking if that was ripping, but it doesn't seem. It seems to be getting a slight effect, but the sellotape will fix it. Like Gorilla Tape. Everywhere else seems to be holding up. It's rubbing. I do apologise for this wind. I'm gonna have to try and edit it out if possible. Anyways, that's all I was going to do today, because I just haven't got the time. Christmas coming. I think it's the 22nd now. I've just noticed a rip there. Actually, what I've been talking to you is there, where this is connected. Pulled into the rip. I'm gonna have to buy more sellotape, but I need a better greenhouse than this. This isn't going to last a year. Anyway, going off topic. Yeah, that's all I can do today. I think the rest, I'm going to be setting up a grow tent in my house, but I'm not going to be buying one of the ones that are like £200+. I've seen this film stuff you can buy, and I'm going to get some board, and I've got all the light and the heating already. So I'll be setting that up and starting my seeds off for next year, probably the back end of December for January. Right, anyways, thank you for all the new subscribers. I've been really surprised at the last video how well it's done, so hopefully you like this one too, and I'm going to try and get a couple more out but then it's going to be all go starting end of the month, beginning of next year. All my seeds start going along fast. This wind. So, hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.